I'm in a recording mood, as I said before. Yeah, so here we go. I used to think that I wasn't fine enough, and I used to think that I wasn't wild enough, but I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games. What's this all about? And I can't believe you're hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference. What you see in her, you ain't seen in me. But I guess it was all just make-believe. Oh, love, never knew what I was missing. But I knew once we started kissing, I found